A topic about Lisa received attention on PanNate. Net users discussed the future direction of the Thai female idol after her contract with YG comes to an end. As scheduled, Blackpink will end the contract in 2023. Although Blackpink is the top girl group and the members' popularity is very huge, many people think that Lisa will not renew her contract. Many Lisa fans support her to go her own way and do not need to maintain her career as a Blackpink member. The first reason fans supported Lisa to leave the group and become a solo artist is because she still has a lot of potentials that YG has not fully exploited. As a foreign idol, Lisa has suffered from unfair treatment at the company, prejudice and discrimination from Korean netizens. Fans believe that if she escapes from YG and Korea, Lisa will get more opportunities in her career. Another reason is that Lisa is more famous internationally than in Korea. The female idol is the K-pop idol with the top brand name coverage in China, Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. She is also popular in Japan, Europe, and America. Since Lisa was a judge on the show Tan Shuwan Had Friends in China, the female idol received a lot of contracts. Her future will be even more successful in China if she has the right direction. Meanwhile, in Korea, Lisa is less popular than the other three members. Lisa's girl crush concept and appearance are also said to suit international audiences more than Korean taste. Lisa's fandom is also mostly international fans. Her fan base in Korea is very small. Therefore, if she develops her career in other places, Lisa will definitely go further than now. However, many Lisa fans believe that the female idol is more likely to re-sign with YG and stay in Korea. Although her international reputation is very huge, without the support of YG and the resonance of Blackpink's reputation, it will be difficult for Lisa to go further. Lisa has singing, rapping, and dancing skills, but she's not really good enough to be able to succeed as a solo artist without the support of a big company like YG. There are very successful cases like Ngo Yifei or Luhan, but these idols are all Chinese and Lisa will have limitations in terms of nationality when she wants to develop her career in China. Besides, fans also believe in the good friendship between the members and the hope that the group will go together for a long time.